will be opening Scruff Surprise Vet Rescue. Ready? Now this is the little case. But before we open that, there's something inside here that we have to see. And here, there's this little fluff ball.
Can we see it?
And here's something in here. I don't know what, but here's a little stand. And this is a little vet table, it looks like. And this is a little toy. And this and the little scrub thing to wash. And this is the measuring table, and this is a little tiny resting couch, and this is where it goes. Maybe this goes here. And this goes right here. And this goes right there. And that goes right there. And this is a little tiny room. And this is the little scrub and the toy. And this is the little other one, and here it is, the other little cute one. And there's that one. And here are the instructions. And here are the instructions. And the ones that you can collect are on here. And these are the instructions. And the ones that you can collect. And so let's read the directions. Wipe away to heal, hear the illness, and it looks like the little one can carry the little baby one with its mouth. Now, to get open the baby, this is what we have to do. So we have to do this, and we'll have to scrub this off. And this comes off with this little sponge. There we go. And we'll scrub this. little tummy because it had some food on it. There we go. It's almost all gone. There we go. It looks all gone now. Now, there's the kitty. And it looks like this attaches to, I don't know what this attaches to. Let's see what it attaches to. And so this little thing goes in here. I think it does. First we'll have to put that on. I think it might go in here. Or there we go. And it goes right here. And there is that. And now we put it back together. And so there's a little table and a little weight thingy. And this spins the little thingy. And this goes here. And this goes here. Perfect. Now, ta-da! If you can see it. Oh, this looks like it's fallen, so that's bad, it's fallen. Maybe this one would be a little better, maybe, because it's a little, there, this fits more tightly. There we go. And let's see. See, it goes here maybe? Or maybe this one gets this one. Nope. Wait. I don't know how it grabs onto there. But I think that's it. And so, goodbye.